respected and Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, Honorable Minister of Gujarat, accomplished dignitary from the collaborating countries, distinguished industrial and business magnate, ladies and gentlemen. Under the decade-plus leadership of Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, the Gujarat state has been remarkable progress and is a forerunner in contributing to the robust growth of Indian economy. Gujarat is an innovative, forward-looking and entrepreneurial state. The Vibrant Gujarat Meets is a robust initiative in this context. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to be part of this important event of the Gujarat state. I am indeed impressed by the Gujarat Vibrant Meet. What impressed me more is the rapidly increasing scale of the event, which includes the ever-growing number as well as size of the project initiated here in this podium, and increasing participation from various countries. Gujarat is a role model today not only for the other states in India but also for all emerging economy. Gujarat today is synonymous with governance, good governance, which puts on the top of pedestal among the developing country and the states. Gujarat is indeed a very peaceful state with one of the lowest crime rate in the country. Thanks to the far-sighted Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, the state of Gujarat boasts of excellent infrastructure. The Gujarat state is set to become the foremost maritime hub of India with 42 ports. These ports cater to the growing needs for the industrial development of the state and the country by providing access to domestic and international market and handling more than 40% of the nation's cargo. Gujarat is in the forefront of the state that have effectively implemented the power reform, as a result of which it carries the distinction of being the only power surplus state in India. Gujarat has played a critical role in nation pursuit for gas energy with establishment of the first LNG terminal in India at Dahej and 2,200 kilometer integrated statewide gas grid. The state also offers superior quality of airport, roads, rail network, which facilitate trade and commerce. The basic need of any business like land, water, etc. are made available without any hindrance. Some of the cities are amongst the fastest growing cities in the world. The state has a strong facilitation mechanism at the government level and stable political climate adds to it. The single window approach for investor is an example of the simplification of process which the state has created. The state also fosters a great work culture encompassing quality of entrepreneurship, leadership and enthusiasm. Thus, the Gujarat state has a potent combination of good governance, excellent infrastructure and wonderful facilitation mechanism which makes it much sought after state for industrialized not only for India but from all corners of the world. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, has said that he was lucky to be born in USA, the country that provided the right climate for growth, that enabled him to grow rapidly. મને પણ ગુજરાતી હોવાનો ગર્વ છે. થેન્ક યુ. જય હિન્દ.